Hello Pisces, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you and your person. So on one side will be your energies, on other side will be the energies of the person you're dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the sides according to your situation, and as they are also general readings, they won't be resonating with each and every one of you. Okay, so let's see what we have for the Pisces. We have the Five of Wands on your side, on your person, the Knight of Cups, the most likely outcome, the Eight of Swords. Okay. So before I take the clarifiers, the energy on your side is with the Five of Wands. So there is some sort of confusion which is going on in your mind basically. It's in your mind. I don't see it's outside, but it is within you. It's within you. Okay, some sort of disagreement, some sort of conflict, some sort of confusion, something is going on. I don't think it's an actual thing outside, but it's within you. And on your person's side, with the Knight of Cups, what I feel here is that this person wants to offer you love. They are happy, they are content, and they are ready to uh, move ahead and cross the barriers, whatever the barriers are in this direction, to come to you, to offer this love to you. They are, they have made their mind, they are ready for that. This is what they want to do. Okay, with the Eight of Wands as the most likely outcome, something is there which is stopping from this to happen basically. And this is something which is obviously related to the past, some back hurts from the past negative experiences, which which cause a lot of reluctancy in coming out. Okay, scared to come out because they don't want to hurt themselves again. So this is, you don't want to hurt the, whatever this is, the outcome here is that there is a fear, there is a, you just don't want to take any action basically because of fear of the hurt. You don't want to hurt yourself, or that they don't want to hurt themselves, and that is why it is coming as a louder. Things are not happening, I think. Things are just not happening because of the fact that somebody is just not taking action, because though they can, they are not taking because they're scared to take any action, because they don't want any heartbreak. They don't want anything to hurt them, and they have a lot of past experiences which have made them like this, that restricted, and reluctance is there. That is why things are not happening basically. Let's see what are the clarifiers. Okay, we have the Three of Pentacles, Page of Wands, and the Ace of Swords. Okay, let's see the energies on. I'll put them back, but the cards are Six of Wands, the Seven of Pentacles, and the Nine of Cups. Okay, so they are very happy and content, just wondering what to do, but very, very content, happy. They see you as a wish fulfillment, and they feel, I think they will take some action here. They will take some action, but anyway, I'm putting them back. If they have to come out, they'll come out. Let's see what clarifiers actually come out with this Knight of. Okay. So we have the Justice, we have the Queen of Pentacles, and the Ace of Cups. Okay, and as the most likely outcome, we have the Ten of Swords, the Eight of Swords, the Eight of Wands, The Five of Swords. Let's see how it moves, then I'll be taking more cards. So what I see here is that there is a lot of confusion which is going on in your mind, and I think with the Three of Pentacles, you are, I think, discussing with them or discussing with your friends, whatever it is, or maybe there is a secret meeting going on. There is something which is happening, but then with the Page of Wands, there is a new beginning, and the Ace of Swords. Definitely, there is a new beginning, very, very passionate, and it's a very beautiful energy. I think there is some sort of a talk which is going on over here, some sort of discussion. Maybe you talk to this person or to your friends or whatever it is, just to see how it can be done, sort of. Or you are just relieving your tension over here by five of with the confusion which you have. You are just clearing it up, perhaps. But there is some sort of discussion which is going on, and but then there is a new beginning over here with the Page of Wands and with the Ace of Swords. There is a new beginning over here. That is what we want, and I think it is happening. And on their side, we have the King of Knight of Cups. So they are moving. They are ready to make a move, and with the Justice card, so I think they are able to balance this situation with the Queen of Pentacles and the Ace of Cups. What I feel here is that I think now they are able to make up their mind, come to a conclusion, make a decision. Basically, a decision is coming in, because with the Queen of Pentacles, I think they have taken enough time to think about it, sort of. And with the Ace of Cups, they see you as emotional fulfillment, and they want an emotional new beginning with you. They want an emotional new beginning, because I think now they have thought over it since a long time. They've been thinking about it, and now they are able to balance this situation and make a decision. Basically, that's what I feel, and they are ready to offer this new beginning to you, which is full of emotions. But I really don't know why is this outcome coming as the Ten of Swords. Again, there is something, Eight of Swords, Ten of Swords. Definitely something is holding them back. But 10 is about completion. So I think it's over. This tension part will be over, and you will get back up in this situation. And with the Eight of Wands, what I feel here is, with the Eight of Wands, we have a lot of communication coming in. But then again, with the Five of Swords, there is something, some argument, something again which is happening over here, which is sort of dispute or something again. But with the Ten of Pentacles, there is stability. I would like to take more cards on the outcome, perhaps. Let's see on the clarifiers on the outcome. Yeah, we have the Two of Cups. We have the Two of Cups, the Two of Swords, the Seven of Wands. The Hermit, the Emperor, and the Knight of Swords. See, what I am feeling here is, though that this person has a lot of restrictions, there are certain major reasons that this person is not able to open up, and that is why they have not opened up. It is a most likely outcome it's getting. These are the reasons for, I think, they're not opening up. Because, but the thing is, I see communication over here, and I see Ten of Pentacles, which is stability and families, and I see them opening up also. So I think I need to be a little more. See, it can be this also. See, with the Five of, there has been something. What I am getting here is that this person has suffered a lot. This person doesn't feel like opening up, because They have had many past experiences, maybe a lot of fights or something have happened in their life, and that is why they find it hard to open up basically. Okay, but there is definitely a communication also, and the Ten of Pentacles, there is stability also over here. Okay, and which is stability, and this is a family life. And here we have the Two of Cups, so definitely they see you as their equal partner. There is love over here, there is definitely love over here. But then again we have the Two of Swords and the Seven of Wands. So again it is about being closed up, being closed, not being able to open up. Though love is there, they want to open up. Maybe they will do that slowly, because with the Seven of Wands over here, it's a lot of struggle. They have a struggle opening up, that's what I feel. And with the Hermit, they are trying to sort it out, looking for answers within themselves. And with the Emperor and the Knight of Swords, see, what I am getting here is that this person has difficulty opening up. They are controlled, or they are trying to find answers within themselves. They are looking for a solution within themselves, and they will be able to take back the control, I think. They are wise and they have the knowledge, but with the Knight of Swords, they will rush in towards you ultimately. The only thing here is they have a hard time opening up. They have a hard time opening up, and that is why the delay is. There is love, they want stability with you, they want family with you, but it's a struggle for them to open up. That is the only thing. Let's see what is the guidance from the universe. Romance. Lavish the one you love with personal attention and affection. Number 25 may be of some significance for you. So there is love, there is romance, there is everything. But just the only thing here is that this person has a tough time opening up because of some very harsh experiences in the past. That's what I feel. I think maybe they, but I see they see you as their wish fulfillment. They really want you. Let's see. Anyway, so that's all I have for you, Pisces. Hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.